So in exercise 14.1, first question, so many problems are there. Okay. So 5 problems we are done here. After that you can do as a homework. Okay. Then the next one, factorize the following expressions. Okay. From the above question, 2 terms are there. Here it is expressions. That means from the algebraic expressions, how to calculate common factor. Clear? Then first question, second question, factorize the following expressions. From the first question, that is first one, 7x minus 42. Okay, so 7x how can be written? That is 7 into x. Okay, then 42. As a product of primes, how will you write? 42. Okay, 2. That is 21. Clear? Then next one, 3. Okay, 7. Next one, 1. Okay, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 7, 42. Okay, so 2 into 3 into 7. Now, next one, our expression 7x minus 42 equal. Substitute 7x means 7 into x. Okay, then our operation is minus here. Yes, minus 42. How can be written? 42 as a product of primes. That is 2 into 3 into 7. Clear? Take the common number as a common outside. Okay, so 7 into. Okay, 7 is common in these two terms. That is 7, 7. What is the remaining term here? That is x. Okay, then next one. Our operation here minus. After that, 7 taken as outside. So what is the remaining here? 2 into 3. What is it? That is 2 into 3. Clear? That is equal 7 into x minus 2 into 3, 6. Okay, then apply distributive law. 7 into x, 7x. Okay, 7 into minus 6, minus 42. Clear? Then the next one. Next problem. What is it? Next problem is 6p minus 12q. Okay, what is it? 6p minus 12q. Okay, 6p. That is 2 into 3 as 6 into p. Okay, 12q. Okay, so what will you do? 12 how can be written as a product of primes here? 2, 3. Okay, then 1. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Okay, so 2 into 3 into q. Okay, then now 6p minus 12q equal, just substitute. Okay, 6p means what? 2 into 3 into p minus. Okay, here our operation is minus. So minus 12q. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into q. Okay, take the common term as outside. So what will you do? 2 is common. Okay, and then 3 is common here. Okay, take outside. That is 2 into 3 taken as outside. Put one bracket here. Okay, what is the remaining term here? Only p. Okay, after that this operation minus, then 2, 3 take as outside. What is the remaining here? 2 into q. Okay, then 2 into 3, 6 into p minus 2 into q, 2q. Apply it. 6 into p, 6p minus 6 into minus 2q. 6 into minus 2q minus 12q. Clear? So at last you can apply distributive law. You will get what? The given expression. At that time we can say that our factorization is correct. Okay. Then the next one. What is it? Big problem I will do. Okay. That means what? Minus fourth question. Please listen. Fourth question. Third question is simple. Okay, 7a square plus 14a. So 7a square, 7 into a into a. Okay, 14a. How can be written as a product of primes? That is 14. 2 into 7 into a. From these two terms, take outside. Okay, common factor taken outside. Then fourth problem. Minus 16z plus what? 20 sec cube. 16 z. Minus is there. Okay. So 16 z is equal to what? 16 means 4 into 4. Okay. 16. 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 1. So 4 into 4 is actually 16, but 4 is not a prime number. So 4 can be again written as 2 into 2, and one more 4 is there, again 2 into 2. So 4 2s are there. Clear? This one. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, what is the variable here? Z. Okay, don't forget minus sign. Okay, then the next one, 20 z cube. Okay, 20 z cube. What will you do? 20. Prime factorize 2, 10. And then 2, 5, and then 5, 1. Clear? So that is equal 2 into 2 into 5 into, here exponent z cube. So what will you do? Yes, expand it, z into z into z. Okay, then minus 16z plus 20z cube equal to what? This one. That is minus 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into z. Okay, here it is minus. Okay, then plus our operation plus here, then 20z cube. That is 2 into 2 into 5 into 3z cube here. Okay, 3z here. That means z into z into z. Okay, 3z cube. And here from this, what is the common factors here? That is 2, 2. Okay. Again 2, 2. Here 2, but in this term no 2. Okay. So 5 is not there. Then next one z. Okay. That is equal what? 2 into 2 take us outside. That is 2 into 2 in bracket. Okay. What is it? 2 into 2. Not z. Okay. 2 into 2 into z is common. Okay. 2 into 2 into z is common. In bracket. Minus is there. So minus 2 into 2. What is it? It is minus 2 into 2 from this operation. Okay. Plus what? 2 into 2 into z is taken as outside. What is the remaining term here? 5 into z into z. Okay. Then the next one. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into z, 4z. Okay. Then minus 2 into 2 what? Minus 4. Plus 5 into z into z, z square. So 5 z square. Okay, apply the distributive law. 4z into minus 4, minus 16z. Clear? Then the next one, 4z into 5z square. 4 into 5, 20, z into z square, z cube. So, by applying distributive law in the factorization, we get the given algebraic expression. Clear? So, this is the factorization. Okay. So many problems are there. Then the next one is 5. Okay. Next we, what? 5x square y minus 15xy square. Same problem. Okay, what is it? 5x square y. 5 into, okay, 5 is a prime number. Again, we can't prime factorize, yes. So, 5 into x square is exponents. So, x into x into y. Okay, minus 15. 15 how can be written as a product of primes? That is 3 into 5. Then into x into y into y. After that, you can take outside the same procedure. Okay.